Hi everyone, this is the 92nd video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a nice problem from Algebra and Number Concepts. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution, you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says, two numbers have a product of negative 54 and a sum of 0. What is the lesser of the two numbers? So essentially we have been given that the product of two numbers is equal to negative 54 and their sum is equal to 0. We have to find out the smaller of the two numbers, right? So if you assume that the two numbers are a and b, then a plus b is equal to 0, that is their sum, and also we have been told that a times b is equal to negative 54. Now from this sum, can we say that a is equal to negative b? So now I am going to substitute negative b in place of a in the second equation here, right? So from the second equation, can we say that negative b times b is equal to negative 54? That means we can say that negative b squared is equal to negative 54, and from here we can say, well, then definitely b squared is equal to positive 54, and then from here we can say, well, then b is definitely plus or minus square root of 54, which is actually plus or minus 3 square root of 6 plus or minus 3 times square root of 6. So then obviously if we take b as the positive value here, so here if we say, well, if b is equal to positive 3 times square root of 6, then a will be equal to negative of b, that will be negative 3 times square root of 6. So if you look at these two values, obviously the negative value will be the lesser of the two numbers. So here are our two numbers, which is positive 3 times square root of 6 and negative 3 times square root of 6. Now which one is the smaller one? Well, obviously the negative number will be the smaller one than the positive one. So negative is the smaller one, right? So our answer is negative 3 times square root of 6. And if you look at our answer options, we have negative 3 times square root of 6 under option F. So option F would be the correct option. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.